Hi folks, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I'm sitting in a beautiful 1971 camper. It's been completely restored by a customer who absolutely loves it and has finally brought it up to us to do some audio and some electrical upgrades. So I'll show you what we've done. I'll take you through it step by step. So we've added an audio system, and this consists of these rather funky 6x9s in the back here, which are made by Audiofile, and we've colour coded the grills white so they don't stand out the original black grills. We've done the same thing in the front with a set of 6.5 inch, which is set in the bulkhead. There aren't many positions you can get them in, but they actually work really well there and it doesn't disturb anything behind. So they're a matching set of 6.5s again with the grills colour coded white. We've gone for this classic hedge in it. The classic hedge in it has DAB, Bluetooth audio streaming. Unfortunately, the owner before the current customer had opened that hole up a little bit, so there's a little bit of damage around the hole, but it all looks pretty tidy. So that we don't have to use the ignition to run the radio, we've actually used this spare light button. So you pull that out, that brings on the radio, and the radio and the hi-fi run from a deep cycle battery. So we've installed a second battery with a split charger, which I'll take you around in a second. The other great thing about this particular hedge in it has dual USBs, it has a microphone for Bluetooth, it has Bluetooth audio streaming, it has virtually everything you could ever want for a modern radio, but as you can see, it's got, you know, some pretty cool classic styling going on there. We've rewired everything in the front, so this USB now runs from the second battery, and in the rear here we've got the sink unit, so we've got the pump full of water system. We've installed a couple of USBs here. We've got a little downlighter here that runs from this little switch, and everything is pulled off the second battery. In the cupboard at the back there, I can't show you because we've made the cover panel, but right in the back you remove that cover panel, and then we've installed a new fuse board which completely operates all of the accessories in the back of the vehicle. We've added mains hookup, which I'll show you around the other side, and from the mains hookup we've put a couple of surface mount socket or flush mount sockets, which have also obviously got RCDs in there. We've also added a Victron charging system, which you can't see, it's tucked away inside. So when you're on mains hookup, it'll actually charge the batteries or charge the second battery. So you can use your fridge, you can use all the lighting, you can use the hi-fi, and you won't deplete that second battery. I'll show you the installation for the second battery. Just tucked away here in the engine compartment, where they normally go, to be fair, but on the right hand side you've got the main battery, which you can't see, but on the left hand side there's our Optima yellow top battery in a specific battery tray, which is all bolted down so it's nice and safe and secure, and you can see the main fuse in there to protect everything. So we're on campsite without mains hookup, that will keep everything running nicely without affecting the main battery. The hookup we've tucked just underneath here, a little bit difficult to see, but we've got a mains hookup underneath here. We wanted to keep it well out of the way. That's all nice and tidy with everything trunked up and grommeted and sealed against water. So there you go. A nice classic camper with some really cool modifications and some nice tech in there, all done nicely and safely. If you've got something similar and you'd like it modified with a little bit of auxiliary power or a little bit of hi-fi, just give us a shout. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.